Good day, happy travelers. Vacation travel hacks here with a Genie Plus Magic Kingdom how-to. In an earlier video, I kind of said, hey, who is Genie Plus for? Is it worth it? If this is, if you're watching this, you've made the determination that, hey, Genie Plus, it's worth it to me. I want to use it. So let's start at the Disney World Magic Kingdom Park, how to use it. I will strongly recommend, if you don't have the app, get the My Disney Experience app. And purchase, you have to purchase Genie Plus the day of, so starting at midnight, your event. You can't pre-buy it anymore. It's not rolled up in any packages. The price varies per day. It looks like today it's $20. Actually, yesterday it was $20. On weekends it goes up. Around holidays it goes up a lot. I believe it was $27, $30 during around New Year's Eve. But hey, listen, Magic Kingdom, Genie Plus, this is where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. There's so many rides that you can leverage. So make sure you purchase it. A couple different ways to do it. They let you do it right from your app here. Purchase takes you to the purchase screen. It'll let you purchase it for everybody that you're linked to. That shows up that you're able to make reservations for. You'll be able to see that real quick on the next screen. You may have to do some work to get them linked if not already, but let's just assume they are. So you hit purchase. It takes you to the purchase screen, walk through it, and we won't show financials, but once you've purchased it, you can get back to the screen by clicking these three arrows here, or summon the Disney. You can view My Day. Lots of different ways to get there. It'll pull up this screen. You can go to the tip board, or you can see what reservations you already have by My Disney Genie Day listed here. The tip board we'll spend a lot of time on, but if you select My Disney Day, sometimes the default's here. All you got to do is select this option right here. But this My Day is pretty practical because it shows you if you have breakfast, lunch, dinner reservations, and whatever other Genie reservations that you have. So once you go to the tip board, it'll take you to something that looks like this. You get to see the team at 7 a.m. Sharp. Go in if you're staying at a Disney resort. Go in at 7 a.m., make your first reservation. The distinction to make is the individual lightning lane, and I strongly suspect that Tron will be added to this when that opens up in April. This is an additional pay for item as we discussed in our earlier video during the intro. If you want to ride Seven Dwarves, it's another ride to ride. If it's something you haven't done, it's kind of like Big Thunder Mountain, but with Seven Dwarves. A little smoother than that, I suppose. A little quicker than that. Very cool ride. Very Disney. Disney's theming is always good, and the ending is worth it. So at 7 a.m., you're going to have the opportunity to make your first reservation. What does the group want to do? What's going to go out fast? And at this point, hopefully, you've determined what time you want to enter the park. If you're going to be rope dropping, getting there right at open, taking advantage of that, your early birds, it's going to be difficult to stack. There's still value in Genie. Once you use it, you can make another one. And once you use that one, you can make another one. Otherwise, I'm a stacker. I've got a bunch of people who like to sleep in, 8 of us, and nobody, there's only one person that has to get up early. And well, that's the person making the reservations. So that's me in our group. So, all right. So you've decided that, hey, let's assume you're stacking because that's how you get it. You got breakfast reservations. You're going to do the pool. You're going to stay out of the sun at the heat of the day. That's a very common strategy for our Disney people. So now you got to figure out, hey, what am I going to do first? Well, 7 a.m. Jungle Cruise right here, probably already going to be in the early evening. Space Mountain, possibly out into the early evening. Big Thunder, possibly. Peter Pan's, if you like riding Peter Pan, that one is already probably out into the evening. So book something that'll be your evening entry point, and feel free to add Seven Dwarfs. You can actually pick the time. that you can do the individual lightning lane. So if you're like, hey, want to get to the park at about 6, this is before dinner, and then ride some rides, watch some fireworks, ride some rides. Then another strategy is ride some rides, eat some dinner, and then go home. Depends on the day, I suppose. But it's possible at the Magic Kingdom in 2 to 3 hours. In 3 hours, I had eight lightning lanes all selected, and I was able to add as we were going. And that was new January 1st is when I had it. I had it just a fantastic time. So that's the strategy. So at 7 a.m., you're probably picking the Jungle Cruise, maybe Space Mountain. Those would be the common ones that I would look at. You wouldn't need, Buzz Lightyear, a lot of the other ones. Why am I saying Jungle Cruise? The queue is limited to the number of rides. It's about every 2 minutes a ride goes out. But like It's a Small World or Buzz Lightyear, it's a ride moves much faster. They board somebody, I think, every 5 seconds. Haunted Mansion, similar. So the ones where the rides go slower, they build up. The lightning lanes go very fast for that. And if all goes well, you get what you want. And then here's the team step 2 is 2 hours after the park opens, not 2 hours from the time that you make your reservation. 2 hours after the park opens, you can make another lightning lane, and you'll be able to see what happened. It's not uncommon during the holidays. Jungle Cruise could probably be gone, especially if it turns into Jingle Cruise. It could be gone. It's not uncommon to see Haunted Mansion be unavailable during the Halloween events. So Peter Pan, not uncommon to see that go away. But you'll be able to see, hey, what's next? You'll probably be able to get Big Thunder in the evening. You'll probably be able to work into Haunted Mansion. Pirates, you can probably wait till your third fast pass option. But you start building it. You're enjoying the pool. You're drinking your coffee. You're eating your breakfast or your brunch, lunch, whatever. You're hanging out. You're building your evening activities around your dinner reservations and any nighttime shows, parades that you want to do. And so when it comes there, you're going there, you're not waiting 60, 90 minutes, 2 hours to ride a ride. And as a matter of fact, in 2 hours, you can ride 5 or six rides. So that's the value in it. That's the strategy. And hey, time is important. When you make your next one, if the park opens at 8, 2 hours, so your first one will be at 10. If you wait till 10:02, 10:05, you forget 10:10, it's 2 hours from 10:10. Now everyone that made it at 10 is going to be able to make their next ones at noon, and you have to wait till 12:10, so you're kind of getting the leave-ins. I know a minute doesn't sound important. Team, Genie Plus, it's the difference between getting could be, especially in other parks, could be the difference between getting the ride that you want and not perhaps getting the ride that you want. And that is a double compound. So if you're late at 12:10, you go to 2:10, but it's 2:15 when you finally realize, I was going down a water slide. Holy shit, I was at Typhoon Lagoon, couldn't get there. Time's important. And, as we say here at Vacation Travel Hacks, time is important, but vacation time is more important. And in the world of Genie Plus team, well, time is money. Travel well. See you in the next video. I'll probably go to the another park. So I'll do this one for each park because each park has its own specific nuances, and the strategy shifts as the number of rides and priority rides shift as well. So this is Magic Kingdom, the flagship for Disney. I hope you enjoy the video. As they say, drop me a like. Or subscribe my channel. But if there's anything you want to see covered, feel free to let me know that as well. And as you can tell, I'm highly caffeinated, love to talk, and I'm happy to talk about the world of Disney. All right, team. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.